All right. Okay. Hopefully today's recording is much better than yesterday. All right. So today was a break even kind of day. I took one trade and then I just felt out of it. I don't know what happened. I took a trade up here. I said that we had some nice rejection happening, and price was breaking out of this channel here. I took my entry at the close. I saw this nice long candle. I took my entry at the close of this, stop loss right above. Looking to get into the 5646 areas. So about 15 points, 13 points. Um, Price started dropping, but then got caught up with the news wick here that I had marked. Should have been over here as well. I don't know why it's not showing it. This is the same chart, right? Yeah. Oh, there it is, up here. Right. Price got caught up with the news wick, and we bounced once, two, and then the third time looked like it was gonna break, and then it pushed up. I had my stop loss at the break even point. Basically, I got stopped out here, and then from there, price had a nice pullback after stopping me down and went to my target. It bounced to that area and then went to my target. I felt that the selling was strong and I should have stayed in the trade. And why I should have stayed in the trade was because here was very strong selling volume and we needed to get right back above it if buyers were stepping up. Buyers did have a strong buy but didn't come from a very strong level. This level here that I said may be weak was the strongest 30-minute level. We never really got through never really established this level here during the 8:30 news, so I thought it was still weak. But after I took this trade, I just felt tired. I don't know why. I'm not, maybe something that I ate, but I just felt exhausted, and I had to step away from the screen. And but price did drop, and then my main target was down here. 5620 was my main target. I wanted to see a strong break through this level and down because the volume was just very lacking in the buying. We did have these little buying areas here. This is an important area. It did bounce price up. This 56 area here, this is important. I didn't mark it, but as you can see, my target was hit from that first trade, and then my target was hit from that first trade, and then I go to the main chart. We had a nice pullback from this area. Buyers never could really step in. We had another strong selling point, and then buying tried to step in, couldn't make it, and then we had a nice channel and we broke down to my 5620 area. This is where I wanted to see price go. It did feel like I was somewhat ambitious at the beginning, but now that I'm looking at it, everything makes sense. This is a 40-point move, big drop, and then from there we had another pullback into that wick, that volume area that we had for news. Why am I not just using this, right? No, not news. We did the news one already. Sorry, we did the news one. This area is the close. Let's go to the 30-minute chart. The close volume. So price did come back to. Let's mark this one mainly. Let's see how price reacted because this is a significant buying area, and other than that, this should have been a buy right here, right, that we bought through. So let's go back to the 5-minute. So there it is. Okay, so yeah, so price did go back to that area and then it broke. So this would have been a nice trade here at 1250, and then just taking it down. This was another, how many points? 40 points. God dang. You know, risking about 9 points to make 40 is a good return. That's like almost a 41 return on that. This one here was a good, also about 9 points to make 20, which is a good 2 to 1. So some to about a few good setups. This one mainly was my first one. I wanted to re-enter, but the pullback wasn't the cleanest. Now looking at it at hindsight, it was the best. We had 1 and 2, so I could have looked into it. We stopped at the volume. If I bring the 1 minute chart over, which I am going to do, all right, I could have entered right here, more so right here, because this is the close. That's that 5 minute candle. Or is it at right over here? Yeah, that's a 5 minute candle. This candle closes at 10 o'clock. So this is 59. So this one here would be the entry. And so I could have entered here for a 6 to 7 point stop loss. And then just take it right back down to 18 here. And then just hold it, hold it, hold it. Probably get stopped up around 13. If price not breaking, but this would have just been a nice trade. If I could get down to 18, it would have been great. Down to 10, that's still good. Risking about what, 6 points to get 10 to 12. That's good. And then I wanted to find an entry. I thought about going long, but something told me, why am I trying to go long when price never really bounced out of this area, and also we never had a channel. Right, not one channel was created. So yeah, I almost did try to go long. I'm not gonna lie, I already got my feelings hurt. So I'm probably gonna need at least 2 candles that forms a channel before entry. So just still working on my setup, but I really like what I saw here. I was really looking for the sell-off today. Still no volume. So I think we're gonna get another push up before we probably get a volume. There's no volume in that, but that sell-off was good. Alright, so that's it for me for today. Tomorrow is Powell speaking, so we'll see what happens. I still think we have some more upside to go. I don't think this move down is anything of significant. We are trying to break out of the channel, but I don't think it's a major thing yet. I don't think we're there yet. I think we still have some more upside before we see a massive downside. So that's it for me for today. And then I'm gonna clear out my charts, and then tomorrow morning I can get into it, doing the same thing, rinse and repeat, and go from there. All right. That's it. All right, and we didn't drop. Cool, 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 cool. Yeah, NQ was doing a good job too. Hitting all these nice levels. So NQ bounced off. Let's zoom out. Yeah, some very good levels. All right, so it's gonna be an interesting week. All right, I'm still not in my combine. I did blow it. That was my fault. But I've been back testing and really honing my skills and keeping it simple. All right, that's it for me. Logging off.